So, for all you 5th gen 4Runner folks out there who changed their own filters or have gone to the dealership and got their filter replaced, you'll notice that the filter you get at Toyota doesn't come with this pre-filter on it. This goes for the GX460 owners as well, who bring their vehicles to Toyota for service. You'll notice that your filter no longer has this pre-filter on it. Now, if you are interested, here's the part number for the filter that does have the pre-filter on it. If I could get it out of the box, that'd be great. So there you go. That is the OEM filter for the 5th gen 4Runner, and the OEM filter for the Lexus GX460.